Good morning to all, and today we are going to see about the lesson 2, like question objective part 1, that is a objective type question part 1, which is based on your second lesson. So what is your second lesson name is a Vive technology, it means long live technology. So your content, that is today's content, is a choisis la meilleure réponse, choose the best answer and read ray or four, true or false, and mettez le dialogue on order, make a dialogue in the correct order. So before that, we will recall once our second lesson dialogue. Chez Monsieur Murthy at Mr. Murthy's house, assise dans le salon de grands-parents, Monsieur et Madame Murthy discutant du compartment des jeunes face aux gadgets modern. So, sitting in their living room, and the two grandparents, Mr. Murthy and Madam Murthy, discuss the behavior of the youth towards the modern gadget. And let us move to the dialogue A. So, in this dialogue A, the conversation between Murthy and Sunita. So, first one is Murthy. Sunita regardait ses enfants. Sanjay fait son devoir en regardant la télé. Et Vidya, elle mange en lisant les messages dans son portable. Notre belle-fille fait de la cuisine en parlant au téléphone à sa famille. Et notre fille reste indifférente à tout cela. So Sunita look at the kids. Sanjay does his homework while watching TV, and Vidya, she eats while reading the message in her cell phone, and our daughter-in-law is cooking while talking over the phone to her family, and our son remains indifferent to all this. And Sunita, qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? On vit à l'ère de la technologie. À l'époque, il n'avait pas de portable et nous n'avions pas de télé. Toutefois, on était plus sociable et plus communicatif. So what can we do? We live in the era of technology. In those days, there was no mobile phone, and we didn't even have a television, and however we more sociable, and next more communicative. And Murthy, oui, autrefois sans ces gadgets nous étions plus heureux et moins stress. So yeah, yes, in those days, without these gadgets, we were happier and we were less stressed. And Sunita, c'est le faute des parents en achetant tous ces gadgets, ils gênent les enfants. So it is the fault of the parent. By buying all these gadgets, they spoil the children. And move to the dialogue B. So dialogue B is Des amis se rencontrent dans la rue. So two friends were meet in the street. So this conversation between Annie and Monica. And Annie, mon Dieu, qu'est-ce que t'est arrivé? So my goodness, what happened to you? Comment t'es-tu cassé le bras? So how did you break your arm? And Monica, en tombant dans la rue, by falling on the street. And Annie, mais comment? But how? Monica, tu vois, you see, c'était mon faute. It was my mistake. Je marchais dans la rue en laissant les messages sur mon portable. So I was walking down the street while reading the message in my cell phone. And je n'ai pas remarqué le pot de banane sur le trottoir et pof. So I didn't notice the banana peel on the pavement and puff. And je glissais and I slipped et je me suis cassé le bras and I broke my arm. And Annie, tu devais être plus prudent en marchant. So you have to be more careful while walking. And Monica, we had a small yes, fortunately, il avait moins de circulation dans la rue. So there was less traffic on the street. So let us move to the choisissez le meilleure réponse, that is choose the best answer, which is based on these two dialogue. So Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita se sont assises dans leur, so they are sit in the living room. Living room in French word salon. And next, Murthy et Sunita sont les dash Vijay, Sanjay and the Vidya. So Murthy and Sunita are the grandparents of Sanjay and Vinita. So grandparents is the answer. And third one is dash fait son devoir en regardant la télé. So who does the homework by watching the television? Sanjay. And second, dash mange en lisant les messages sur le portable. So who eat by reading the message on a cell phone? Vidya only. And next is dash fait de la cuisine en parlant au téléphone. So who is cooking by talking over the phone? La belle-fille. La belle-fille means what? The daughter-in-law. And next is ce sont dash qui gâtent les enfants. So these are the parents' fault. Parents' fault by spoiling the children. So the answer is what? Les parents. And eighth one is Sanjay et Vidya sont the dash Monsieur et Madame Murthy. Petit enfant. Petit enfant means what? Grandchildren. And eighth one is dash il n'y a pas de gadgets. So autrefois means what? At the time there was no gadgets like mobile phone, computer, like that. And ninth one, Annie and Monica sont, these two person are friends only. So the answer is what? Ami. And next, Annie and Monica rencontrent dans dash la rue. They meet in the street only. So dash s'est cassé le bras. Who broke her arm? Monica. And next, Monica est tombée dans le dash by falling on the street only. So street in French, rue. And heureusement, il avait moins de dash dans la rue. So unfortunately, there was no circulation, that is less traffic in the street. So the answer is what? Circulation. And next, Monica a glissé à casse de la peau. So Monica slipped because of that banana peel. So banana peel means what? Banana in French and banana in English. So the answer is what? The answer is le pot de banane means banana peel. And next, Monica marchait dans la rue en laissant les messages. So Monica walked by reading the message in her cell phone. So the answer is what? Message. And 16th one, Monica s'est cassé. So Monica broke her arm only. Arm in French what? Bras. And 17th one, on doit être plus prudent. So we must to be careful while walking. So walking in French, marchant. Marcher verb means to walk. So this is all about the choose the best answer, which is based on these two dialogue. And let us move to the second content, that is these way of true or false. And that green aids refers to the reason for the answer, why it was true and why it was false. And first one is Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita sont les grands-parents de Sanjay et Vidya. So Mr. Murthy and Madame Sunita, they are grandparents of Sanjay and Vinita. Yes, the answer is what? True. And second one is Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita sont dans la chambre. So they are in the room. No, they are sitting in the living room. So the answer is what? 4. And Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita se sont assises dans le salon. So they are sitting in the living room. So the answer is what? True. That is Ray. And Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita discutent the gadgets ancient. So they are discussing about the ancient, that is old gadgets. No, they are discussing about youth towards the modern gadgets. So the answer is what? False. So Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita discutent du comportement des jeunes face aux gadgets modern. So they are discussing about the behavior of youth towards the modern gadgets. Yes, the answer is what? True. And Sanjay mange en lisant les messages dans son portable. No, Vidya only. So the answer is what? False. And seventh one is Sanjay fait son devoir en regardant la télé. So Sanjay is doing homework while watching the television. So the answer is what? True. And Vidya mange en lisant les messages dans l'ordinateur. So Vidya eat reading the message in the computer. No, in the mobile phone only. So the answer is what? False. And next, le fille fait de la cuisine en parlant au téléphone. So leur fille means what? Their daughter. No, they are not their daughter-in-law only. So the answer is what? False. And le belle fille fait la cuisine en parlant au téléphone à son ami. So their daughter-in-law cooking by speaking to over to the phone to her friend, no, to her family only. So the answer is what? False. And 11th one is la belle fille fait de la cuisine en parlant au téléphone à sa famille. Yes, she is speaking to over the family only. So the answer is what? True. And 12th one is autrefois sans gadgets les gens étaient plus heureux et moins stress. So at the time without these gadgets the people were more happy and less stressed. Yes, the answer is what? True. And 13th one is avec la technologie les gens sont moins stressed. With the technology the people are getting less stress. No, they are getting more stress only. So the answer is what? False. And 14th one, Sunita saw que les parents gagnent les enfants en acheter the gadgets. So Sunita feels that parents spoil the children by buying these gadgets. Yes. So the answer is what? True. And 15th one, il faut utiliser les gadgets quand c'est nécessaire logiquement. So we must use the gadgets when it's logically necessary. Yes, we have to use for that necessary time only. And 16th one is Annie and Monica se rencontrent dans la rue. So they are meet in the street. Yes, the answer is what? True. And Annie and Monica sont cousine. Cousin means what? Cousins. So they are not cousins, they are friends only. So the answer is what? False. And 18th, Annie se casse se bro. No, Monica only broke her arms. So here they given what? Annie. So the answer is what? False. And next, Monica est tombée dans la rue et s'est cassé ses bras. So Monica fell down in the street and broke her arm. Yes, the answer is what? True. That is right. And 20th one, il y avait plus circulation dans la rue. So there is a traffic jam in the street. No, there was less traffic only. So the answer is what? False. And 21st is il faut être plus prudent en marchant. So you have to be careful while walking. Yes, the sentence is correct. So the answer is what? True. And 22nd, Annie marchait dans la rue en laissant les messages sur son portable. So Annie while walking reading the message in a phone. No, Monica only. So the answer is what? False. And le pot de banane a fait glisser Monica sur le trottoir. So because of this banana peel dragging Monica on the sidewalk. Yes, it's true. Annie n'est pas remarqué la peau de banana sur le trottoir. Not Annie, Monica only. So the answer is what? 4. And 25th, le pot de banane a fait glisser Monica sur le trottoir et pas la faute de Monica. So a banana peel made Monica's slippery on the sidewalk. So it's not her fault. Yes, it's her fault only because she didn't notice the banana peel. So her fault only. Here they given it is not a fault. So the answer is what? 4. And let us move to the third content. Mettez le dialogue dans l'ordre convenable. Here the dialogue, the given dialogue A. Sunita regarde ses enfants. Sanjay fait son devoir en regardant la télé. Et Vidya, elle mange en lisant les messages dans son portable. Et notre belle fille fait de la cuisine en parlant au téléphone à sa famille. Et notre fille reste indifférente to Lisa. So this is the first one. The first dialogue Moti speaks to Sunita. And second one is qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? On vit l'ère de la technologie. À l'époque, il n'avait pas de portable et nous n'avions plus de télé. Et toutefois, nous étions plus sociables, nous étions plus communicatifs. This is the second one Sunita replied to Monsieur Moti. And third one is oui, autrefois sans ces gadgets, nous étions plus heureux et moins stress. This replied to Monsieur Murthy. And fourth one is c'est le faux des parents en achetant tous ces gadgets, ils gâtent les enfants. They spoil the children's life. Who said? Sunita. So this is the fourth conversation. And move to the dialogue B. Here the given first is Mon Dieu, qu'est-ce que t'est arrivé? Comment tu te cassé le bras? So Annie asked to Monica. This is the first conversation. And the second one is en tombant dans le rue. So by falling on the street. And what is the third one? But how it was happened. That is mais comment. And fourth, she is describing tu vois, c'était mon faux. And je marchais dans le rue en laissant le message sur mon portable. Je n'ai pas remarqué le pot de banane sur le trottoir et pof, je glissais et je me suis cassé le bras. So this is the fourth conversation. So this is all about our today's content, that is choisissez la meilleure réponse, dites vrai ou faux, and mettez le dialogue en ordre. So I hope you all understand this video, and thank you.